Mike Lalonde. I'm one of the owners of Innovative Automation in Barrie, Ontario. And we are a custom machine builder. So we build custom machines and for assembly and testing of consumer products, automotive goods, or automotive parts, and commercial goods. And in recent years, we've developed our first standard product called RoboTape, which was a major innovation for us and our first foray into a standard product. As a medium-sized company, in order to be able to take on the initiative where we needed to take people out of their normal role and dedicate them to this initiative that was generating a product that really wasn't going to generate any revenues for a 2 or 3 year period. It really required a commitment from our whole ownership and management team, but also funding through IRAP and other initiatives to help get us to the end goal of the standard product that we're now have brought to market, spreading across the globe. We have partners in Japan and making waves in the industry. So that's been an incredible initiative for us and a great path to future growth.